Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to block any website using Google Chrome. So please watch the video till end.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard road this.
Now open your Chrome browser. Click on the three dot on the top right corner and go to More Tools, then Extension. Then click on the extension menu on the left corner and open Chrome Web Store. Now search for block site. Click the first extension to add to Chrome. Now the extension is downloading. Here you can see the extension icon. Click Agree. In here you can see this interface. In here type the block site name you want to block. For example, I am going to block facebook.com. Hit enter. Now go to check facebook.com. You can see facebook.com is blocked. If you want to redirect facebook.com to any other website, type the website name here. For example, instagram.com. Now check facebook.com. You can see facebook.com is redirect to instagram.com. You can also protect this extension by adding password and mail ID. You can also block adult sites by enabling this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit like and subscribe for more quality premium videos.